Easy Learning Center.
Hey, Daddy!
Hello kids, today we are going to learn animals and birds living place. Birds lives in nest. Birds lives in nest. Hen lives in coop. Hen lives in coop. Cattle lives in shed. Cattle lives in shed. Crab lives in hole. Crab lives in hole. Spider lives in web. Spider lives in web. Horse lives in stable. Horse lives in stable. Rat lives in hole. Rat lives in hole. Ant lives in anthill. Ant lives in anthill. Goat lives in shed. Goat lives in shed. Lion lives in den. Lion lives in den. Honeybee lives in hive. Honeybee lives in hive. Dog lives in kennel. Dog lives in kennel. Rabbit lives in burrow. Rabbit lives in burrow. Bear lives in cave. Bear lives in cave. Parrot lives in cage. Parrot lives in cage. Pig lives in pisty. Pig lives in pisty. Crocodile lives in nest. Crocodile lives in nest. For more kids learning videos, please subscribe our channel.